All right, so today's challenge was to actually get 3 or 4 days, and really I want to do all 5 days of maintenance in one day. But really, do you think I can do it? Do you think I can do it? I know I can do it. Let's go do this shit. I was already at the Mickey D's when I told you that. You guys were taking long. What's up? What's up, my beautiful people? I'm Erick Santana. You guys know me as the Pond Pirate. And on today's adventure, we're actually cleaning ponds. This is something I'm not doing that much anymore, usually building them. But yesterday, late in the afternoon, I get a phone call from my maintenance tech, and he reminded me that he's going on vacation. Fuck my life, whatever. I hope you enjoy it, watch it. Full instructions. Can't go wrong with that now. This was built by the guys at Oxford Construction, right? And it's a Max Strang house. If you guys don't know who Max Strang is, that guy's a badass architect. Trying to get the guys to do it as efficient and as quick as possible. And I want them to read my mind and know my every next step. It's ultimately where I want to be with these guys. You know, I don't want to have to tell them. I want them to know, but I can't telepathically get it into their brain fast enough. So I got to try to explain it to them and coach them through it, right? I'm not a great teacher, right? So we got to work with what we got. So we're going through the maintenance as quick as we can. Not to mention, I gotta go do plumbing somewhere else because we have inspection this afternoon. So this is a pressure test kit that I'm building. I build everything, all of the infrastructure of the plumbing, the lines that go in, that's going to be under the concrete. I'm going to put all those lines in, we're going to cap them or seal them in such a way, and then we run pressure through all the lines and make sure we have no leaks on any of my elbows. So I'll run it to 40, 30 PSI, and we let it sit overnight. If we have inspection, the inspector's going to want to come to the job site and see the pressure clock at 40 PSI. And that's just to give me, you know, peace of mind and to guarantee to the client that the plumbing that we have done in the pond is not leaking. You're not going to get loss of water. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the button. I got shit to do. I gotta get out of here. Estamos haciendo el baile de dinero.